butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to put in all these ingredients. First, let me put in the milk. Cook all these ingredients in medium flame. Now I'm going to add in the flour. I've switched off the flame so I've time to mix it. Sorry for the mess I've made over here. I'm a bit clumsy today. Today's my bad day. I'm now going to put back the heat and cook it for a couple more minutes. Look how nice it looks now. Cooked it for a few minutes. Now I'm going to take it off the heat. I've transferred the dough into another bowl. Now I'm going to beat it. Beat the dough for 2 minutes, let it cool down. Now let me add in the eggs. Now let me beat it with the dough. The dough has become like a thick ribbon, look. Before we start frying the dough, I am going to make cinnamon sugar. So first, you will need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Like that. Then you will need half a cup of sugar. And then just mix it together. I filled up half the piping bag so it's easier to control from. Some oil over here in this pan, and now I'm going to heat up the oil so I can put in the churros to fry. Now that my churros are golden brown, I'm going to put it in the cinnamon powder. Now let me quickly roll it in the cinnamon powder. Well, here are my churros. They kind of look like sausages, but that's because I use a smaller nozzle. But if you use a bigger nozzle, the churros looks more like churros, you know. Yeah. I've taught you how to make the ganache. Now is the time to dip your churros into the ganache and eat it like this. Awesome!